And Ms. Blake, I'm sorry to make you wait, but I've got these two pleas that have been holding all morning long. So,
What do you want first, Judge?
can we have who is Rennie? Who do I do first?
Maureen Turner,
Miss
probation
Turner.
case.
Turner, Judge.
Oh, there you go. The general scope. Turner.
That's right.
Well, the
All right.
General Valverde has spoken.
That's right. I'm taking charge.
He wants Turner. Okay, Turner. Okay, I got the Turner paperwork on my screen. All right, Ms. Turner, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Is that a yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're gonna have to speak up. Thank you. Put your hand down. Please speak up loud. We can't do this unless you speak up loud, all right? All right. Is your name Corrine Turner?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I ask the probation officer, is this a regular probation or deferred?
Deferred, Your Honor.
It's a deferred. Are you the same Corrine Turner who in this cause number 2025 CC 001390 who's currently on deferred adjudication for assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
No, she's not currently on probation.
Right. She's going to take probation, Your Honor. She's going
I
Yes,
misunderstood. Well, I thought it was an MTR. That's, pardon me. Let me go back. Backtracking. Are you the same Corrine Turner who is charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, I do.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me that it's okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Yes.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it?
I do.
Okay, hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it and your attorney has signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So then, to the offense of assault causing bodily injury, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute. All right, do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yeah.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, no, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, apart from that plea bargain, besides that, anyone promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, no, sir.
You're doing this plea of your own free will.
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor. The agreement is a $450 fine, fully probated, 12 months deferred adjudication, a condition that the defendant does not possess firearms, a psych evaluation, a life skills class, the APSE class, a BIP course, 24 hours of community service,
Attention, all jurors please report back to the central jury room. All jurors please report back to the central jury room.
and a no harmful or injurious contact order with her mother, her brother, and her sister.
Okay. Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Castellon?
It is, Judge.
You agree with this, Ms. Turner?
Yes.
Yeah, Ms. Turner, deferred adjudication can be a good deal, it can be a bad deal. The good part about this deal is if you successfully complete this, you can truthfully say on a job application you were never convicted of this crime. The bad part about this deal is if you screw up and you get violated, you can be looking at the maximum 1 year in jail, the maximum $4,000 fine. Do you understand that?
I do.
And you still want to do this?
Yes.
Okay. Then
And
court
just for the
having heard
record, Judge, I did advise her for opportunity to apply for pretrial diversion. She wanted to go forward with moving on this today.
Okay. Then the court, having heard your plea of no contest, on that plea, the court finds that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I do not find you guilty. I instead defer or postpone any adjudication in this matter for 12 months, place you on probation for 12 months. I assess a fully probated $450 fine. Make it a condition of the probation that you do 24 hours of community service. To do the BIP program, you do the APSC program. Psych eval, is that on here or do I have to type that in? I think I have to type that in.
You have,
Do a
you have
psych,
to stick it in. I would, is it okay if we use the wording mental health evaluation?
Yeah, I think that would probably be more.
is that what you want me to type in instead of psych eval?
If the
Yes,
state is
please.
okay with that wording, mental health evaluation?
Yes.
Okay, mental health. Eval. Okay. And the no harmful or injurious contact. I'm not sure that is in here. Do I have to type that out? I think I do. Oh,
I
Oh,
think
it's
it's up
just-
there, Your Honor.
right there, NHOI, is that what that
There you
stands
go.
for?
Yes,
No
Your Honor.
Okay, with you give me names, please, buddy.
I'm going to need it.
What's your mother's name?
Christina Holsky.
Christina, what's the last name?
HOLSKEY.
Okay, and what's the other name?
And then
The br-
Austin.
Renee Austin,
Yes.
is that right?
Austin. No. AUSTIN.
Okay, hold on. RE. Oh, that's what's happened. Okay, never mind. Renee.
Not
Austin.
Renee, Judge.
All right, everyone, I have the next panel going out. It'll be a total of 75 of you.
His first
Okay.
name is Austin.
I'll be calling
Oh,
your name
first name is
followed by
Austin.
your number again.
Yes.
Name followed by your number. If you are part of this group, you'll be meeting with this.
And what's the
And
last name then?
Turner.
The last name is Turner?
Yes.
Not the hallway to the right.
And then
Okay,
And then Chelsea, CHELSEY.
Chelsea,
With an A.
excuse me?
With an A.
Chelsea with an
I'm
A.
sorry.
CH.
I'm hearing Chelsea, is that what I'm supposed to be typing?
Yes, sir, but with an A.
Chelsea with an A at the end.
Okay,
And then
Chelsea
Turner.
Turner?
Yes.
All right. Let me do that first name again because I just really messed that up.
Nice.
It's Hosky, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Anything else? Did I get
Just
everything?
in
that I'm
regards
supposed
to my voucher, Judge, I don't have an appointment order. This was a felony case. And so I don't know if I needed a separate voucher or what. I turned in a voucher, but I don't have an appointment order for this.
Okay.
Misdemeanor.
Randy, can you send him one?
Yes, I'll get him one sent
Judge,
over.
I don't know if you can
Okay.
attach it to my voucher for me, reading.
Before I click on this thing, is there something I missed or should have done under this?
Judge, just that under the classes, I thought the APSE class was the anger management class. Maybe we could ask probation.
So yeah,
you
my
know,
understanding
what
was
the
anger management,
appropriate
and you had
ones
said
of-
the VIP course, which is a longer period. I thought we were going to be doing an anger management and not the VIP.
So do you want anger management instead of VIP? Is that what I'm hearing?
Yes.
Okay,
Mr.
the
Castellon,
big
is that-
class,
Yes,
The
Judge,
big
that was my
classes-
understanding of what we had talked about.
okay.
Okay, hold on. Probation officer.
Do you want me, okay, the BIP class is it's like family violence, it's very extensive. Distress education, it's more related to like a stressful situation that led to this. And then anger management is to like it says, to deal with an anger issue. So I don't know
Okay.
what the circumstances are.
I think I'm just gonna make it anger management since it's less expensive. Is that what you're telling me? It's less expensive?
Actually, the stress education is less extensive.
Okay, then I'm gonna do the stress education, not the BIP or the anger management. All
Thank you,
right,
Judge.
try and help her out with their pocketbook.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, Judge, I thank you. She's only 17, so
Okay, well, let's hope that this is her last experience. Ma'am, I'm not good at luxuries, but this is something I've learned over the years. Either you're a self-correcting individual or you're not. If you're not a self-correcting individual, what happens is you have someone like probation living in your life all your life long because you can't self-correct. If you can self-correct, you'll be avoiding that. So this is your one chance to do it, because if you screw up, you're going to have someone like probation in your life for the rest of your life. You get that?
Yeah.
Good luck to you. All right.
Thank you.
Okay.
MC number 2. Happy work.
Click on that.
thank you, Judge. Maybe excuse.
You can be excused, sir. All right. So much for the Paul Canales lecture on self-correction.
Quickly, Judge,
Mr.
I'm so
Garcia.
sorry. Alex, did you want us to add the life skills or no?
No, the state agreed. The judge just ordered the apps.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we don't need the life skills anymore.
Right, just the
The
stress
stress ED.
education
Okay,
and the mental health evaluation.
okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready.
Okay.
2.
Yes, sir, I'm on my way.
All right.
On my way.
Okay, Mr. Garcia,
Sir,
who do you have?
Yes, sir. Jimmy Casillas.
Jimmy Casillas. Let me pull that up. Jesus. Everything's like pulling teeth at the end. Okay. Okay, Mr. Casillas, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Nothing but the truth.
Okay, Mr. Garcia, yes or no? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you. Put your hand down. All right. I'm about to share my screen with you. Give me yes or no answers that are loud enough so anyone can hear them. Okay. In other words,
Yes, sir.
speak up loud and clear. Is your name Jimmy Casillas?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Jimmy Casillas who in this cause number? Oh my, that can't be right. Alvara?
Yes, Judge.
This house number is supposed to be with the year and it's saying 2924. Can you double check that on your screen?
Yeah, I'm
Yes,
sorry,
sir.
Your Honor. I'm
It's
sure it
fine.
was a mistake I made. Could they correct it, please?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
can
we'll
you
correct
correct
it,
that to 2024?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, among other things, I'm having a time travel problem this morning. Okay. Are you the same Jimmy Casillas with this cause number 2024 CC 740120 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do this in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have signed it and your attorney signed it. And when you signed this document, what you did in effect was tell me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Hold on 1 minute. You understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, apart from that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this? Besides the plea bargain, besides that, has anybody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor. A $0 fine, court costs, 25 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be satisfied.
That's your
Attorney-
understanding in this case, Mr. Garcia?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Mr. Casillas?
Yes, sir.
Then the court, sir, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. Sentence you to a $0 fine. This court costs. I sentence you to 25 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Mr. Garcia?
I believe it is, Your Honor.
Okay, if this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today. Okay? Good luck to you.
Thank you very much.
And Mr. Garcia, thank you for helping us out. You can be
Thank
excused.
you. Thank you, sir.
Okay. I need to hear the magic words.
Turn off YouTube, Judge.
I'm going to turn off YouTube.
Yeah.